Now comes rainy season, isn't it? Rainy season is also called as monsoon. We say that season is monsoon. Monsoon, M-O-N-S-O-O-N. Monsoon means rainy. Monsoon means rainy. Rainy season, a season of dark clouds and rains, we say, because it's raining, so we can say that it is a season of dark clouds and rain. It rains a lot in monsoon. Yes, that's what I said. A season of dark clouds and rain. It rains a lot in monsoon. We use umbrella and raincoat to protect ourselves from rain. Yes, people always use umbrella to go outside. Then raincoat. These are the things they use when it is so rain outside. To go outside, they use raincoat, then umbrella and all. Yes. So rainy season, you can see a child holding umbrella in the rain. The image you can see, isn't it? Yes. So in rainy season also we feel cold, isn't it? Yes. So this time also we like to have some hot tea. You likes to sip hot drink, we say. Hot tea, hot water. Yes. And also hot dishes, your favorite hot dishes. Yes or no? Yes. It's raining outside, so we feel cool, isn't it? Yes. But children, you should not play outside in the rain, because there's a chance of getting sick, you may fall sick, you may fall ill. So it is not good to play outside in the rain. You can enjoy the rain. From your house you can see, through your window of your room you can see and enjoy the rain. Okay, but it is not good to play outside in rain. Okay. We like to stay indoors and we sip a hot drink and we watch TV. We like to play some games inside our home. When it is anywhere, it's so raining outside, it is difficult for us to go out anywhere. So most of the people like to spend inside only. Yes. Next, autumn, dry and windy. Autumn season. Next season is autumn season. A-U-T-U-M-N. Autumn. Autumn season means dry and windy. Dry and windy. Autumn season, dry and windy. Autumn comes just before winter. So before winter season, before this season, autumn comes. Trees shed the leaves in autumn. In this season, leaves get dry and it falls down from the trees. You can see the image of a tree without leaves. Leaves are falling down there, isn't it? Leaves gets dry, they fall down during this autumn season, because it is a dry season. That's why leaves gets dry and it falls down. The weather is neither too hot nor too cold. Weather is not that hot or that cold. It's normal weather, in between cold and hot it will be. It's neither too hot and nor too cold. Okay, but it is so dry and windy outside. So from trees, leaves shedding is taking place at this time. From the trees, leaves are falling down, we say. Leaves falls down during this season. Leaves gets dry and they falls down. And this is called autumn season, or we say dry and windy season. Then one more season we have, that is spring. S-P-R-I-N-G, spring. It is so a pleasant season, we can say, a pleasant season. Spring is a pleasant season, a pleasant weather. At this time, blooming of flowers, we can see blooming of flowers everywhere during spring season, or season of flowers, we can say. Okay, it's a pleasant weather actually. in this season, you know, where this season is there, in India we won't get this season, spring. It is always outside outside our country, India. These other countries, they get this season, and full of flowers we can see that time. People like to spend outside during this season. So pleasant weather, they can enjoy that weather. They will plan for outing and all at this season. In India, many places we won't get this spring season, this climate. Spring comes after winter. So after winter we get spring, and just before summer and after winter. It is neither too hot nor too cold, as autumn season, not too hot and not too cold, in between hot and cold. So like that, spring also, not too hot or not too cold, but the weather is so pleasant, we say. It is a season of flowers. See, the spring season is the season of, it is a season of flowers, we can say. Season of flowers, beautiful flowers. Season of flowers, we say. And butterflies. When more flowers are there, butterflies will visit these flowers. Butterflies come and sit on the flowers. Spring is also known as Basant in Hindi. In Hindi language, we say Basant. For spring, we say Basant. Basant, B-A-S-A-N-T, means spring, season of flowers, Basant. Okay, in Hindi language, we say it as Basant. So spring comes after the winter and before the summer, and it is not that cool or that hot. Okay, but the weather is so pleasant, we say. People love this weather, or they enjoy at this season. It's a season of flowers and butterflies, we say. Season of flowers. Wherever in this season we can see beautiful flowers. And it is also called Basant. In Hindi language, people say Basant season. Children, so we were learning about seasons, isn't it? Seasons. Yes. So, season, what is season actually? When a weather, particular weather, it remains for a longer period of time, then it is a season. Weather is the state of atmosphere at a particular place. And when this weather remains for a longer period or for some few months, then it is a season. So there are three main seasons in India. There are three main seasons in India, isn't it? Which occurs in India. So they are, we learned about summer season, isn't it? Summer. Then summer. Then, yes, winter. Then, the other season is, in India it is rainy. So, these are the three main seasons in India that we learned. So, summer means what? Yes, it is so hot. Summer means hot and sunny. S-U-N-N-Y, sunny. Summer is so hot and sunny, we say. We feel so hot during this time. Yes. Then people wear which clothes in summer? Yes, they wear cotton clothes, or we wear cotton clothes in summer. And in summer there is one specialty. Days are long in summer. The days are long in summer, we say. Days are long. Days are long in summer season. And we like to have some cool items in this season because we feel so hot. So children like to have ice creams and some cool juices, cool drinks, fruits. We like to have more liquid items during this season because it is so hot during summer, isn't it? Days are so long. Afternoon and all, it is difficult to go out. Sun is so hot, we say. Yes. Next we learned about Winter season. Winter means cold. Cold season it is. Winter season. We feel so cool during this season. And here we wear what kind of clothes? Yes, we wear woolen clothes in winter to keep ourselves warm. We can see people outside in villages and all, people what they will do, they outside they put fire and they sit in front of this fire to get that warmth of fire, isn't it? Yes. So we feel so cool during this time. Days are short here. Days are short in winter, shorter in winter. Days are shorter in winter season. And we would like to have some hot tea and coffee during winter season. Children like to have hot dishes, their favorite hot dishes. They ask the mother to prepare hot dishes for them. Like you always say in winter season, isn't it? Mama or mummy, I need my hot bhaji. Prepare it and give me. Children like to have hot favorite dishes. And people, they like to drink hot tea, coffees during this winter season. Isn't it? Yes. Then we learned about rainy, or we can say it's monsoon season, we say. Monsoon. Monsoon season means rainy season. A season of dark clouds and rains. It rains a lot outside this time. Rainy season, it rains a lot outside, and people use raincoat to go outside. They use raincoat. Then they use umbrella also, isn't it? Umbrella, raincoat, etc. they use during this rainy season. Some people, they wear gum boots also. Gum boots. Gum boots means what? They wear up to the knee, isn't it? To walk in the mud or wet surface. They use gum boots because it is full of water outside. So people use raincoat, umbrella, gum boots, etc. in rainy season or monsoon season, we say. This time also we like to have a sip of hot tea and coffee whenever we are at home. And we like to be at home only because it is difficult to travel outside. When we have to go outside, the most for going to workplace and all, people go to the workplace and go and come to home. They like to be at home actually. Unnecessary traveling they avoid, or they like to stay indoors, we say, because it's too rain outside, difficult to drive vehicles, difficult to travel also. Yes. So rainy season means a lot of rain outside, and people use raincoat, umbrella, etc. to go outside. Isn't it? Yes. So these are the three main seasons in India. Summer, winter, rainy. Summer spelling S-U-M-M-E-R. Come on, spell it. S-U-M-M-E-R. Summer. It is hot and sunny season. Next season is winter. What is the spelling? W-I-N-T-E-R. Winter. It is so cold season. Next is rainy. R-A-I-N-Y. Rainy season. Or monsoon. Spelling M-O-N-S-O-O-N. Monsoon. Yes. Then there are other two seasons that we learned. Yes. What is that season we learned? Other than these three seasons, we learned one more season. Autumn. A-U-T-U-M-N. Autumn season. Dry and windy, we say. Dry and windy season. Our body becomes so dry at this time. Outside also it is so dry this time, because what happens, leaves falls down from the trees. Leaves get dry and they fall down. No leaves on trees this time, in this season. Okay, it's autumn season. Shedding of leaves, we say, means they fall down from the trees. So dry and windy outside. That is autumn season. Weather is not too much of cold or not too much of hot. That is this season, autumn season. Then we learned about one more season, that is spring. Spring season. A very good weather or a pleasant weather, we can say. Pleasant season or a season of what? Season of? Yes, season of flowers, we say. Season of flowers is spring season. Season of flowers, or we can say season of butterflies, flowers and butterflies. When flowers are more, butterflies come and sit on the flower to get the juice of the flower. This flower has a sweet juice. So this butterflies will come and sit on the flower to drink that. So that's why wherever flowers are there, butterflies are there upon that. That's why it is called season of flowers and butterflies. It's spring season, season of flowers and butterflies. So pleasant weather. People like this weather. They enjoy this weather. They like to go outside during this time. They plan for some picnic and all. The weather is not that cool and not that hot. So the good weather outside. That is spring season. Season of flowers, we can say. On season of butterflies, we say. Blooming of flowers, we say. Okay, so these are the main seasons. In India, we have 3 seasons: summer, winter and rainy. And other 2 seasons are autumn and spring. Okay, children? Now coming to our warm-up exercise. Starting, there was an exercise in the course book. Let's warm up. Now we'll see that. Okay, write the season shown in the pictures. Now you have to write the season. Now you know which are the seasons in India. Yes, which are the seasons in India? Summer, winter and rainy. Yes. So here they have shown some images. First image is of, yes, can you identify this image? A child in the rain. In the rain means holding umbrella in the rain. Yes. Which season it is? Yes, it is rainy season. So you have to fill those columns where there are no letters. You have to fill up that word. Okay, so R is given. R is given. Then A, I, N is given there. Last it is Y. Rainy. That you have to fill up. R, A, I, N, Y. Rainy. Isn't it? Yes. Now, what about the second image? Second image, a child enjoying the weather, the snow or the cool weather. He wears sweater, he wear a woolen cap, he wear gumboots or shoes, we say. Yes, it's a cool weather. So it is, which season it is? Yes, it is winter season. So complete that word, winter. W is given there, I is given there. Then you have to fill up the next letter, N, yes, then T, then E is there, last is R, winter, W-I-N-T-E-R, yes, winter. Now coming to the last image, you can see an image of a girl there, isn't it? Yes. Sun, so hot sun, yes, she's sweating, oh God, like that. So which season it is? Yes, so hot, it is sunny. Yes, it is a summer season. Yes, summer. So right, summer. S is given there, U is given there. Then you have to fill next letter, it is M. Then next letter it is there, M. Then again next letter you have to fill, it is E. Then R is already there, isn't it? S-U-M-M-E-R, summer. You have to fill up the blanks there. Okay, S-U-M-M-E-R. S-U is given there. Then you have to write M. The next M is given already. Then you have to write E. Last R is given. Summer. Yes, these are the main 3 seasons in India, isn't it? Rainy, winter, summer. Yes, so that exercise is completed. Now coming to the life skills. Different fruits come in different seasons. Yes, as I told you, in different seasons we eat different food also we will change during seasons, isn't it? Yes, hot season, summer season, we would like to have different fruits and juices, we said, isn't it? Yeah. In which season do these fruit come? Yes, here they have given some images of fruits. You have to identify the fruits and you have to tell in which season we get these fruits, or in which season these fruits are available. Write W for winter and S for summer. So in winter season we get some fruits, summer season we get some other fruits. So you have to just write W for winter under the fruit where we get in winter season, and if the fruit we get in summer season, then you have to write S under the image. Let us see the first image. First image is of which fruit? Which fruit they have shown first? Yes, it is an apple. Yes, apple. We get apple in winter season, isn't it? Yes. You can write W there. W. Under the apple there is a small square box. Under apple image there is a small square box given. There you can write W. Then which is the next image? Next fruit. Second fruit. Which image is that? Which fruit is that? Yes, it is a plum, isn't it? Plum. That also we get in winter. We can write W there. Then watermelon. Watermelon, yes, it's a summer fruit. Third image is of a watermelon, summer fruit. So S you can write. Then coming to the last image. It is which fruit? Yes, it's a mango. Yes, mango also we get in summer season. So you can write S there. Yes. Okay. So different fruits come in different seasons. So like watermelon, mango we get in summer season, and apple, plum we get in winter season. But still some places we cannot say that this particular fruit only will get in that season. When weather changes, this availability of fruits also it will be available in some season, and some season it may not available, or it may available in other seasons. So those who are in different states, the availability of fruits is different over there. So you can write according to that. Okay children, if you get apple and plum there, in which season that you know in which season you get these fruits in the place where you are. Accordingly you can write. Okay. Yes. So children, we completed this chapter, lesson 20, seasons. Now it's reading time. You can read once or twice or thrice. You read the lesson, and each spelling also you have to spell it and read. If there is any spelling, if it is so hard for you, just spell it and learn. Weather, WEATHER, weather. Like that you have to spell it and learn the spelling, and you read. Reading habit is so good children. Read the lesson thoroughly. Then you can do the exercise very easily. Okay, if you get a question from this lesson, it will be so easy for you to answer if you read the lesson once, twice and thrice. So read the lesson, read each heading, read each paragraph nicely, and spelling also, spell it and read. Okay children? Okay, thank you.